a walk. So I'm taking my dog on a walk. So yeah. Sandy, let's go this way. Yeah, let's go. Oh, word. I'll walk straight. Oh, stop pulling me. She's being really annoying. Anyways, this is a vlog. You can hear like background noises. I'm gonna walk in my dog. Heel. I'm like really tired and we're barely even at the start. I mean, like we're barely even at the close to the middle part. Taking this thing on a walk is really tiring. There was a rock in my shoe. Taking it on a walk. We're gonna stop at this lake that we have. We're like getting close to it, but it's a little bit far up ahead. This camera is a little bit shaky because my dog is like walking my dog. And this is like really tiring for some reason. Oh my lord, my favorite part of the walk is coming. We have beautiful woods. Come on, Sandy, let's go. So like, my dog is not listening. Still taking a walk. And I swear we're almost at the lake. Could you stop getting yourself into these messes? Whee! I sound really congested because I'm allergic to pollen. So, and I'm taking my dog for a walk. So this is our lake. We got like parasites, leeches. We don't swim in here anymore. It's been getting higher and higher, and now it's like the highest I've ever seen. And this is what my dog stepped in. Don't know whose dog that poop is, but it's ugly. Finally. She's taking forever. Come on. Ah! Oh God.